Each year, the Hyderabad 10 kilometers run happens, and it happens during November time frame. And it has been happening for the last 10 years, and this is the 11th edition of the 10K run. Since 2012, which is last year, the run now has a beautiful reason to be more excited, that is running for a cause. And what does this really mean for the public and for the companies? Every company has community service programs where a portion of their profits they donate to the organizations of their choice. But through this run, they can have their employees run for a cause, not just donate the money. Thereby, their employees will get an awareness about health through the run. The companies get a recognition for their contributions through whatever they are pledging for the charity. And on the top of all this, the non-profit organizations are getting benefited. It's a beautiful way of making an awareness come through for every country and city. This model is not new. Though Hyderabad 10K run is happening for the last 11 years, other cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore and Chennai, they have actually picked up a lot of the run for cause momentum. Mumbai today is generating close to 19 crore rupees for charity. That's a humongous amount of money that's getting benefited to 290 charity organizations. Last year, we are proud to share that United Way Hyderabad, who are the official charity partners, worked with companies locally. Most of them were the multinational companies. We were able to get 26 companies register, 886 people run from that companies for a cause, and the monies of 36.5 lakhs was donated to 36 non-profit organizations. Hyderabad chapter of United Way, though it is only 3 years old, we are so glad that we have got associated with the run. We are also associated to many other run for the cause events, and I am very excited that this year, for the second year also, we are looking at generating 50 lakh rupees of contribution money that should benefit more than 20 plus non-profits, and we will look forward to having at least 30 companies participate this year. I would ask for each and every individual who may not be a part of the company also come forward and run for a cause. We have categories where you can generate 2 lakh rupees, donate to a non-profit of your choice, if not 1 lakh rupee, if not 50,000, or make even 5,000 rupees, that can make a difference. Thereby, that awareness grows and more people will start to come together in this noble cause. Thank you for the opportunity.